how to profit in the world of unprofit. You see, lot of today in our world, lot of members are using a trading as a passive income, but very less of them were successful. This world is full of unprofit. Today, I have this question. So, how can we profit in the world of unprofit people doing crazy betting on things without knowing what they are doing? So, we need to understand something before we proceed. There are more technical analysts than I'm out, but they can't. They also can't take profits in every single trade. So you must remember this. Even though if you are a professional trader, you can't take profits on every single trade. You should always focus on managing risk and developing some strategies to it. So what is the cause of it is the trading is very naturally uncertain. You can't predict the trend where it is going. You can't drive the trend. You can just pick the right place to sit, and in a car the car will take you like that. You can just sit and the car will take you. You can't time the market. So so we are humans. We are raised by seeking certain. We should have a safe job. We have a certain life. uh, we humans, we chase certainty always. So this is where the problem comes in a fundamental psychological level. So when a humans which is very certain and very and goes to the place where there is very uncertain things happen every second. So there is a emotional uncertain from you. There will be a emotional roller coaster will be happening inside you. So you need a high level of emotional intelligence before you come into trading. So how do most people now or the beginning will find certainty is by looking for the new and complex theories, and they will try to predict that what will be the market today, tomorrow, like that. But it is very less will happen. Even professional traders can do it. So what I'm going to use is very simple techniques and we can play big. See, this is the most important rule that big profitable players use. What they do is they have first rule, which is they don't lose money. I will repeat it, they don't lose money. This is the first rule they have. So how do they do it is that they have very simple techniques, not so much complicated at all, but a powerful technique, and they will play a big as possible. See, lot of them will say that invest only 10 rupees per 10 rupees per month and have a compounding of 30 years and it will be 30 lakhs. So that will not be more likely to be happen, because the compounding needs to have more volume to it to make it so more magical. When you invest 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 2 lakhs per month, you can expect some amount of magic to it, but unless that it won't work. So the top profitable and successful traders use this very simple and powerful technique. Please remember, when starting and ending of this trading you are doing, you should use very simple techniques and you should play big. For for more tips and tricks, continue watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe or you will miss out what you're going to post it.